How to make apps invisible on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, press and hold the application you want to hide from here. Tap on Require Face ID. This app will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Then, tap on Hide and Require Face ID. This app will no longer be visible on your iPhone, except in a few places such as Settings. Here, tap on Hide App below to confirm. As you can see, you will no longer find the application on your home screen. Then, swipe left to go to the app library. Scroll down to the Hidden Apps folder. You will find all the hidden applications over here. For example, CapCut. Following these steps, you can easily make apps invisible on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.